This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make simple overnight oats, easy method. Mix oats, milk, yogurt, and a pinch of salt in a jar, then stir in honey or maple syrup and cinnamon. Layer with fruit, nuts, or seeds if you like, then seal and chill for at least 6 hours. In the morning stir, adjust sweetness, and enjoy a ready breakfast that saves time and tastes fresh. Start with good ingredients and your oats will shine. Choose rolled oats for the best texture, then pick dairy or plant milk for creaminess. Stir in Greek yogurt for protein and a richer mouthfeel if desired. Sweeten lightly with honey or maple syrup and add cinnamon or vanilla for flavor depth. Fresh or frozen fruit, nuts, and seeds add texture and nutrition to make each jar satisfying and customizable. Experimenting with flavors keeps overnight oats exciting every morning. Mash banana with peanut butter for a creamy, filling choice, or stir in mixed berries and lemon zest for a brighter, lighter bowl. For cozy mornings, combine chopped apple, cinnamon, and walnuts for crunch and warmth. You can also layer ingredients for visual appeal and texture contrast, then taste and tweak sweetness before serving to match your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.